Hey, this is the T7, my new T7. Not exactly brand new, but in a very good condition. It's a pretty basic bike, as you can see. The only thing that is added to this bike is these heat bunker crash bars. They're upper and lower crash bars. And this bike also has the LeoVince exhaust. The rest of the bike is basically standard. As you can see, Yamaha didn't care too much putting on the bike some fancy stickers or some logos or whatever. And we're gonna change this today. What I'm planning to do is put the decals on the bike, so to make it more personalized. And after the decals, we will also follow with some other add-ons like bark busters, the tail tidy, headlight protector, chain guard, and also we will put the frame protections by a service. I browsed the web and I found this Backyard Design website. It's a really cool website because they offer decals for many motorcycles, for Yamahas, Hondas, for Husqvarnas, for KTMs, you name it, they cover it all. They are mostly doing the motocross stickers and the stickers for racing, so the quality is really good. And one good thing on the website is that you have this application online where you have templates and you have already made designs offered by them. And what you can do is take one of the templates and you can adjust it to your likings. So we will be putting those stickers on, but before we put the stickers on, we have to take off these heat crash bars. I'm gonna wipe them a little bit so they are clean. Actually, these are pretty good stickers that Yamaha uses. What I'm using is just the regular rubbing alcohol. And before going with the alcohol, I also clean it with the all-purpose cleaner. And we are continuing with the rear. This part is quite tricky because the sticker went like this and it went down. It didn't go completely with the line, so a little bit of heating on this part, not too much, so it goes nicely together with the shape of the plastic. We are trying to catch these lines, the red and the black, and then in the end we are taking into account that it's not completely on the edge, so it doesn't peel off later on, and also trying to get this line between the stickers to be as uniform as possible. Does it look okay? Pretty much yes. And we squeegee. We're gonna heat it up at the edges a little bit so it gets softer, so we can go around the edges. If you get it too hot, you risk that you will get air bubbles trapped inside. I noticed with these stickers that they have like really small ridges inside like this. So when you put it on, the air goes out. It's always good to just lay it on, leave it for a while, and then later you reheat it and just press it on. Now this part is trickier because you have one sticker that goes here, one goes here, one goes here and continues here. So you have to follow the lines. You position the sticker around the holes. That's the best thing to start with, but then you have to take into account this and the upper part and I'll show you. It's like this. So it goes something like this. And on the bottom, try to catch the hole as much as possible. And a little bit on the front. You don't want to go all the way to the edge, so I will move it back a little bit. So actually on the other side, my orientation of this sticker was based on this one. You have to be really gentle with this. If you're not, you will present scratches. And I already did some, but honestly, when this will go into the dirt and mud and everything, and when you wash it, you will present the scratches anyway. So over here, we are trying to follow these lines, the red, the black, and the white, and the blue. So, the T7 is decaled, personalized, and looking pretty awesome. I love the quality of the decals. You can heat it up and you can wrap it around the corners and everything. So I think they are doing a really good job with these decals. I like it very much. They're very thick. They are quite accurate. There are some areas that need some stretching, so heat gun is a must, but I really like the overall look. I hope that they might also protect the plastics a little bit. Well, it took me a whole day to do it, but I'm really happy with the result. I hope you like it too. Next, I'll be putting on the bark busters, the chain guard, the GPS mount, and the tail tidy. Till next time, take care and have fun.